Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well today. The video friends. I will show you beautiful garden tires. Take good ideas. So I hope you enjoy more videos. Viewers. So let's start today's video. First idea is reverse. Frames. Tire garden seating. Today I make a tire seat. First I clean the tire, now I paint it nicely. I add a soft cushions on top. This become a small garden seat, easy and useful ideas. The flower shaped tire design. Today I done a tire into a flower shape. I cut the edge carefully. Now I paint it like a flower. I use bright color. Now I add soil and plant it look like a big flowers in the garden. And the weavers. Next idea is frames. Tire water pond. Weavers. Today I make a small water pond. I use an old tire. I cover it with plastic sheet. Now I fill it with water. I add small stones and plants. It looks clean and beautiful. And weavers. So next idea is friends. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, viewers. So